Welcome back for another Solana price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets, give you areas that we need to continue holding here on the charts, and also give you reasons why Solana can see a break above the $26 mark in the next coming hours. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Solana is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. There's this other chart pattern that I gave you in my previous video, which was this channel that we had been trading within, where you can see that we had more than 3 touch points, suggesting that the channel was well respected, and the channel gave us a breakdown to the lower side. And you can see that the key area of support at around the $23.9 mark has continued to hold here on the charts, which is a significant area of support. And as a result of that, we have now seen another chart pattern that is in formation, which is a double bottom. And if I draw it out on the charts, you can see that we have these as the first low, then we saw the neckline, then the second bottom, and there are chances that in case we continue gaining momentum slowly here on the Solana chart, we can easily see another breakout to the upper side for the breakout out of this double bottom to the upper side. And the minimum target areas for the breakout can be given by the height between the neckline and the bottoms, so we can get that height and then place it above the neckline, giving me a minimum target area at around the $25.73 mark. So in case Solana continues to hold above the $23.9 mark and continue gaining momentum to the upper side slowly, there are high chances that soon we are going to see that massive breakout, giving us a high above the $26 mark in the next coming hours. Solana has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown move to the lower side in the formation of this wave 4, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area. And there are high chances that we now have a low in place for this wave 4, and soon we are going to see a massive bounce to the upper side in the formation of that wave 5, which is what we expect after seeing a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 4. And before I can give you minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 5, allow me to first give you a recap of this Elliot structure that I have here on the charts, where you can see that after seeing our massive breakdown on the 10th of June, we got a low at around the $12.95 mark. And after seeing that low, we have been seeing a very nice recovery to the upside, where we have now peaked in the formation of this wave 1, seen a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4 into the minimum retracement area, and soon I'm expecting a bounce in the formation of this wave 5 to the upper side, and giving you minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 5 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. I get a minimum target area at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $35.1 mark. And that is the minimum that you can expect Solana to do in the formation of that wave 5. And that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the short term on the Solana chart. And zooming out on the charts to also give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis, you can see that after seeing the December lows, we picked in a 5-wave structure, getting a high at around the $0.27 mark, completing the formation of this first wave to the upper side. Then we saw a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum retracement area highlighted on the charts in yellow. We have seen a reaction of that target area in what I now believe is the start of an impulse to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, where I'm expecting that third wave to the upper side to give us a break above the $50 mark. And before all that plays out, we first need to see a complete 5-wave structure here on the charts, which is the first indication that we are getting impulsive in the formation of that wave 3. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 47 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, fully supporting, suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.